If you want to see what 7 years of tech YouTube does to a guy's face, just watch my old videos. I made some pretty big changes this year. I think some of you may have noticed some really positive changes. Some were made out of complete necessity. Most of these changes are due to years of burnout finally hitting a breaking point. I feel like I've been in survival mode for a while now, doing videos that I have to do rather than videos I want to do. I've just been making sure I can pay my bills and making sure I can pay my employees' bills. Having people rely on you financially is very stressful. I've also been digging myself out of a pretty big financial hole. I got taken advantage of by a large company, and they took hundreds of thousands. But I got a real kick in the gut about a year ago when my second daughter, Ozzy, was born. This video shoved into my face how unhealthy I'd become. And it also reminded me that there was a brand new little girl that needed a strong, healthy dad. Another new little girl, a second one. So this past year, I had to make some changes. Change one, I fixed my body. I tried quitting sugar for 30 days, and I loved it so much that I ended up quitting for 100 days. I started tracking what I eat, working out harder. I've lost 30 pounds so far. I also got a hair transplant in Turkey. That was a wild experience. And I mean, when you combine that all with not having bleached hair anymore and sometimes having a mustache, I had friends at TwitchCon that didn't recognize me anymore. I actually had to reintroduce myself to some people. Change two. I've started to fix my mental health. Reviewing every new piece of gear does well for a YouTube channel, but I started feeling like I was feeding into this consumerist machine, spending 60-hour work weeks bringing very little value to the people that watch my channel. So I finally started a new YouTube series called Selfish. And the first video is live right now on the Hair Seller YouTube channel. I will link to it in the description. Here's a preview. And also what will happen to my body after 30 days. Hey, come with me. I'm gonna show you something kind of gross. The first 12 videos of this series are going to be a monthly 30-day challenge that I've chosen that will help me fix some aspect of my life, starting with quitting sugar. There are upcoming videos about cold plunging and turning my phone into a dumb phone to fix my attention span, and those ones are coming next. I've just spent the last 10 years of my life sacrificing my body and mind to be productive and to earn money the way I'm supposed to. This series is my way of turning that back around. But if you put some focus back on yourself, it not only benefits you, but it benefits the people around you. It's not really selfish, it's self-ish. I like the logo, I haven't animated it yet. So if you've been feeling the same way I've been feeling for a while, and you let life get a little bit too piled up and heavy, go check out the first video and subscribe if you like it, and I'll see you over there. The last change is this channel. And I want us to be honest with each other. The streaming space isn't the same as it was when I got started 7 years ago. Streaming exploded during COVID, and since then, the excitement has, well, it's not what it once was. I love this community, and I love this channel. It just needs some new life. Just like the streaming space needs some new direction and some new life. So here's what we're gonna do. I'll still be doing gear reviews and tutorials like I've always done on this channel, but I'll be a little bit more picky about the ones that I feel really matter. Helping you guys make good choices about how to spend your well-earned money is really important to me. But I'll also be experimenting. I'll be your guinea pig. I wanna see live streaming content get a little bit more interesting, creative. I'll be doing some deep dives into successful creators, the decisions that launched their success, the good ones, the bad ones. We're revamping Stream Beats with some 24/7 streams for you to play on your TV in the background. And yes, we are actually making a new website. We flew all the way to Japan this year, and we filmed 5 hours out a Japanese Shinkansen window for our first one. I hope that one turns out as cool as I'm envisioning. I'm gonna test out turning the Harris Heller Twitch channel into a 24/7 channel that has Stream Beats radio playing most of the time when I'm not there, and then when I'm back, it turns into a co-working stream where I'm working silently with Stream Beats playing in the background, so you can feel like someone's working alongside you to help you be more productive. This is a real ADHD tactic, by the way. It's called body doubling. When my wife is sitting on the couch while I'm working, I am 10 times more productive. And I'm gonna be that person for you, and you're gonna be that person for me. Shout out to the Study Time Twitch channel for inspiring this a little bit. Anyway, that's enough of me oversharing plans. Things change. This channel is turning into more of a personal tech channel, which is why the name has changed from Senpai Gaming to just just Senpai. And honestly, that change feels good. But let me know if you've got any 30-day self-growth challenge ideas. I've got the whole year planned out, but I'd love to know if there's one that would help you out a ton. Also, let me know what you plan to change in 2026. Not like a half-hearted New Year's resolution kind of thing, but like, write a comment from the soul. This is the one time I'm giving you complete permission to be parasocial with me. I'm brute forcing this year to be the best year ever, and I'd love some inspiration from your comments. And as always, happy streaming.